Today I'll be connecting Pierce Brown's novel Red Rising with concepts from Introduction to Sociology by Connerly and colleagues. The novel takes place in a dystopian future where society is divided into strict, color-coded classes. The main character, Darrow, starts as a red, one of the lowest classes, and infiltrates the ruling golds. What makes this story especially interesting is how it reflects real sociological ideas about inequality, power, and social change. In sociology, stratification refers to structured inequalities between different groups in society. In Red Rising, this is represented by the rigid color hierarchy, golds at the top, reds at the bottom, and many layers in between. This mirrors real-world class systems where elites control wealth and power, while workers provide labor. Just like in Connerly's text, stratification is not just about individual effort, it's about systems that keep inequality in place. Conflict theory, based on Karl Marx's ideas, says that societies are built on struggles between groups with unequal resources. The golds dominate every aspect of life, from politics to the economy, while the reds are exploited for their labor. Darrow's rebellion represents the oppressed class rising up against the ruling elites. This reflects what Connerly describes, that inequality naturally produces resistance and can lead to social change. Sociologists define socialization as the process of learning society's norms and values. In the novel, both reds and golds are socialized to accept their roles. The reds believe they are sacrificing for the greater good, while golds are trained in institutions like the Institute to become ruthless leaders. This shows how ideology and education maintain the social order, just like Connerly explains about how institutions reinforce inequality. Symbolic interactionism focuses on how people create meaning through symbols and daily interactions. In Red Rising, color itself is a powerful symbol. It defines identity and status. When Darrow transforms from a red to a gold, it shows how identity is socially constructed, not fixed. Connerly highlights that meanings are created and changed through social interaction, and the novel shows this idea in action. Functionalism views society as a system where each part plays a role. From the gold's perspective, the color hierarchy is functional. Reds mine resources, obsidians fight, golds rule. They see inequality as necessary to keep order. But the novel critiques this by showing how the system only benefits elites and creates instability. This ties to Connerly's discussion of dysfunction, when systems fail to meet the needs of all members of society. Although Red Rising is science fiction, it connects to real-world issues. We can see parallels with economic inequality, institutionalized power, and even modern resistance movements. By applying sociology, we can see that the novel isn't just entertainment, it's a commentary on how societies maintain control and how change can happen. To sum up, Red Rising illustrates several key sociological concepts: stratification, conflict theory, socialization, symbolic interactionism, and functionalism. Both the novel and sociology ask the same big question: how do societies maintain inequality, and what does it take to create real change? Thank you guys for your time.